Carpet sedum is an exceedingly low-maintenance plant native to East Asia. Carpet sedum belongs to the genus Sedum, which contains over 400 species, which you can use to diversify and enrich your garden in order to attract birds. Most species are favored for their small seeds, which will attract carnivorous birds such as finches, chickadees, grosbeaks, and siskins to your garden. Just don't deadhead your plants, so that the seeds remain for the birds to enjoy. Carpet sedum is popular for its low maintenance, cost, and bright yellow flowers and interesting shape. As a potted plant, it can be placed in window sills or office tables for decoration. It can also be planted in well-drained and ventilated corners outdoors to form a unique tropical landscape. It is planted for top greening to replace the traditional insulation layer and waterproof protective layer. While carpet sedum is reliable and lacks fussiness, the plant's most compelling trait is its spectacular carpets of blooms when planted in mass. Because of this, it is commonly called carpet sedum. Generally speaking, carpet sedum needs bright, transparent, scattered light in order to thrive. Without enough sunlight over time, your plant will become spindly, its tissue brittle, and its color will slowly begin to fade. The plant's shape will become loose, it will turn green and yellow, and its resistance to disease will decrease. When planting your carpet sedum, be sure that it will receive enough sunlight to grow strong and healthy.